Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to record a Zoom meeting on your laptop with audio step by step. So before you begin, make sure you have a permission to record and only the host or someone the host allows can start a recording. If the option is unavailable, ask the host to enable recording or make you a co-host. So first, I want you to start or join your Zoom meeting. And at the bottom of the Zoom window, look for the record button which is used to begin recording the meeting. If you cannot see it, click More and then the button with three dots that opens additional meeting controls, then select Record. So once you click Record, Zoom will begin capturing the meeting and you should see a small recording indicator on the screen. Next, click the small upward arrow next to Record. So this opens the recording options and settings, and from there, choose where you want Zoom to save the recording on your laptop. Pick a folder that is easy to find later. If you are using an external drive, make sure it is connected and it has enough storage space. You can also open advanced settings, which contains extra recording options. And if you want separate audio tracks for each speaker, enable record a separate audio file for each participant who speaks. So this is useful if you plan to edit the audio later. Before recording, make sure your microphone and speakers are working correctly. If you cannot hear other people in the meeting, open the audio menu, which lets you check and select your microphone and speaker devices. And finally, let everyone know that the meeting is being recorded and make sure your laptop has enough free storage. And once everything is ready, Zoom will save your meeting with both video and audio in the folder you selected. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below. I'll see you on the next video.